What's up, everyone? Hope everyone's having a good day. Jake's having a big stick dog day. Big stick dog day. I don't know where he found that stick. Just came in the dog park and found it. That's too big for you, man. No, that's a big stick. Come here. Come here. Get it. Big stick dog day. Mountain Cur Jake found another stick. He had a smaller one yesterday. Day is looking good already. No rain. It's supposed to be warm. Funny thing up here in central PA, it's cool in the evenings, cool in the morning, and then it gets hot. So it's good to get out a little early. Jake. Come on, play with the ball. Come on. Better toy. Here. Here. Yeah, come on. You'd rather have the stick. Come on. Everybody have a great day. Peace out.